Something. Say something.
Cheese.
No, like I'm recording this. This has to be cute. Like do something with the dog. Look how cute the doggy is. Look how cute the doggy is. Look how cute the doggy is. Doggy's so cute. Doggy's so cute.
Why, are you taking a video?
Yep. A view.
wasn't diagnosed as.
Look at the doggy.
I mean, they had those issues.
Look at the doggy's face. Don't hurt him.
He's not getting hurt.
You're not enjoying this, are you, dog?
You still have those kids that had those issues. They were just.
Look at that face. Look at that face. She's like, yeah, I'm ready for this.
God bless you.
God bless you, doggy. No, I want to.
You know, like there was cancer 200 years ago. Nobody knew it was cancer.
Look at that. He has his arm around me. He's like, Hayden, don't leave. I have to.
But, I mean, we could get in an argument back and forth. I mean,
I have to leave, dog.
well, yeah, what I'm saying is it's not something
And
that
the
you
leaving
can
person is
I mean,
in
what I would do is irrelevant. You know?
I mean, guys, look at that teeth. Move, Ava. Ava, move. Guys, look at those teeth. Hey, can I see your teeth real quick? Guys, look at that teeth. Look at those teeth. That's the teeth of a dog.
Are you sending that to somebody?
I'm putting it on YouTube. That's what happens when you get close to a dog. You go chomp, chomp, chomp. And look how red that is on the inside. Okay, bye, YouTube.